Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can start your assistant with home button in your Motorola G85 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. Then you have to simply come to search bar and search here navigation mode. Click on navigation. Here it is settings. Click on settings and click on start assistance with Google Home button. Press and hold home button for Google Assistant. You can see when you just long press your home button, it will open Google Assistant. This is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.